start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Try to stand up, my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head.
Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a hair tutorial, so let's get right into this. I have 2 packs of the organic hair, one in the color 1 and another in the color 1B. As y'all can see, I did get 1 pack of 613 hair for the highlights portion of this quick weave. I have my wig cap, my protective shield, and the glue I'll be using to glue the tracks. Now I'm starting on freshly blow-dried hair and freshly washed hair. So first you're going to want to part out the sections where you're going to be doing your side part at. Here I went ahead and just did my braid down, and I will go in and oil my scalp just so my scalp can be nice and oiled while I have this protective style in my hair. Now it's time to glue on this bald cap. I put it all over my hair, making sure that I get all the spots that I need to be glued. And here I'm just taking on my glue and putting it on the perimeter of where my leave out's gonna be, just so it can be extra secure right there. And after, I will go in with my protective shield and glue the rest down. Now that the glue has dried, I went ahead and cut the excess perimeter off, and now I'm just going in to measure how much I need to glue the track. Once I measure it, I go and cut it and I add the glue to the track. And then I place it right onto the bald cap and press it in to make sure that it's actually secure and it's not going to slide off. I repeat this process a couple times before I add in the blonde hair for the highlights. Now it's time to add in my highlights, so I'm taking the blonde hair, doing the exact same thing with measuring how much I need. Then I'm going to cut it, add the glue, and place it right there and press it in, making sure that the glue is stuck and it's going to dry properly. Now when you start adding the blonde hair for the highlights, you really do have to trust the process. It will come together in the end. At first, it might look a little weird, like it's a lot of blonde there, but you just gotta keep on adding more blonde hair and it will come together. Make sure your ratio of black to blonde is like more black than blonde so it can look good like highlights throughout the hair. Now, if y'all watched my other tutorial on my middle part quick weave, y'all know that I only used 2 bundles and that covered my whole entire head. But for this one, since it's side parts usually take me more bundles, so I usually need 3. So I just found some regular tracks in my room somewhere, and I blow dried them just so the curl pattern can kind of match more. And I added those there because I did run out of hair, or I was running out of hair. So I just needed a couple more tracks just to finish it, but I do recommend getting 3 bundles because 2 just wasn't enough for me. Now that I've glued in all the tracks, I'm just gonna go in and detangle the hair just to make sure everything's all detangled before I start the styling process. I did add a step, which is blow drying my bundles and stuff, because I did add another type of hair which did not match. So I just had to make sure that the curl patterns were just, you know, a little bit more similar by blow drying it. And then after I did that, I went in and just hot combed my leave out and the bundles just so the two can match. Now that I got my hair to lay the way I want it to lay, I'm going to go ahead and flat iron it so it can blend in even more. And as y'all can see, my hair blended in instantly, no wax stick, no nothing needed. All I had to do was just press my hair out and it was blending in real good. In the next clip, y'all are gonna see me put some layers in it just to make it more full and just body, okay? So I suggest y'all do that to y'all hair. And here's the final look, girlies. It's definitely giving what it was supposed to give, and it's definitely my inspiration. Like, it came to life. Trusted the process, and this is what y'all got. Y'all been asking for a side part tutorial, so here it is. I hope y'all enjoyed, girlies. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. So enjoy this little montage of my little hair.